How to add Google reviews in Elementor. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to this website which is called Elf site, and then you're gonna have to simply search for Google reviews, and as you can see here you have different templates to choose from, and then you're gonna have to click on continue with this template, then simply enter your business name and address, and then simply click on add website for free. So now you're gonna have to create your Elf site account, which is completely free, and then we're gonna have to get the code, and basically we're gonna have to embed the code to our Wix to our Elementor website. So as you can see here, simply search for your business name, and then you're gonna have to simply choose it. So let's go back here to edit, and then we're gonna have to simply search for it so we can find the reviews. So as you can see, let's search for Nike, and then here New York. So I'm gonna choose this one here, and as you can see I have here these reviews. So simply click on publish, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go and click on so let's see, here we have the preview, layout and everything, and then we're gonna have to simply get the code. So let's see, and now let's click on install, and then here as you can see, so basically you're gonna have to go back and click on install and copy this code here, then go back to Elementor and click on the widget, HTML widget, and then simply paste the code, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.